Meaning of diphtheria.
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 Diphtheria. Diphtheria is a bacterial infection that typically affects the throat and nose. It is caused by the bacterium Corynebacterium diphtheriae. The bacteria release a toxin that can cause fever, sore throat, and swollen lymph nodes. This toxin can also damage tissue in the nose and throat, leading to a thick, gray coating on the back of the throat which can make it difficult to breathe. In severe cases, the toxin can spread to other parts of the body such as the heart and nervous system, leading to potentially life-threatening complications. Vaccines are available to prevent diphtheria.